Well, this lighting's not great. Good morning, guys. It's Saturday morning and I'm so excited. Buds and I are heading down the beach tonight for our first little getaway since all of this corona mess has started. So this morning I've got a balloon order, my sister's coming in to do her lashes, I've got another lash client, and then we're off to the beach and I cannot wait. I'll bring you along. I asked Buds this morning if he cared if I vlogged and he was like, nah, couldn't care less. So I'm gonna bring you guys along. We're staying at a really cute, is it a motel or a hotel? I don't know, but it's really cute. We got a big spa. I really wanted to go to Lush and get like some bath bombs. We don't have a Lush here in Ballarat and I don't think Geelong does either, but I really want to get some bath bombs because I don't have a bath at my house or at the boys' house and I bloody love a bath, so I'm gonna try and get some bath bombs. And yeah, I'm just super excited to be down the beach. One of my sisters lives down the beach. She's got a new little puppy, a little golden retriever. You'll get to see him too. So this vlog's kind of just gonna be like a little weekend in my life. Just coming into Geelong and we're gonna stop and get some bath bombs. I went on TikTok live this morning and I was saying how I want to get like Lush bath bombs, but there's no Lush in Ballarat or in Geelong. So one of the girls on my live, I forget the girl's name, but she mentioned the Scent Lab. So we're gonna go to the Scent Lab and find some bath bombs. Oh my god, I'm so happy to be at the beach. Look at this. So we drove to Westfield and we went into Westfield and we couldn't find this damn Scent Lab, and then I couldn't find it on Google again. So we asked like the concierge people and he was like, pretty sure that's closed down. I was like, nice. How good was that? Hey buds. Unreal. Unreal. But we've Googled it and apparently it's like a 5-minute drive away. So fingers crossed we see it, because I really want a bath bomb for tonight. I'm just craving a bath and I just feel like a bath bomb will be perfect. So we're gonna try and head there now. So it wasn't open. We drove to the address and then it was like houses, and then I went onto their Facebook page and it was like, we're reopening on the 28th of September. On Monday it's opening, today's Saturday. I'm not gonna get a bloody bath bomb. It's okay, we'll find one.
Hello, Ramona. I can't shake the simplest feeling beyond the ghost. We stand on the opposite shore. Hello, Ramona. I reach through mysterious ceilings, my only hope. I look for the things I don't know.
This is amazing. Oh my god. Look at the view.
I can talk to you in the back.
Oh my god.
Do that.
What? Oh. Beach. So we just went to the supermarket to grab some snacks, just some like dips and stuff. I don't know if I mentioned this earlier, but my sister's actually coming down and staying at the same place. So she's gonna arrive here later. I think we'll catch up with her because Sylvie's coming. And then look at us on holidays. This place is amazing. Like, it's so much nicer than we both thought it would be, but it's like beautiful. Like, look at like the view is of the beach. It's perfect. And then Lil's gonna come down. Lil, Mayhew and Sylvie are coming down. And then we're gonna go for dinner, aren't we?
Can't wait.
Where are we going for dinner?
Pizza and pasta. I don't know what it's called.
Ocean Grove Pizza and Pasta, I think.
It's lit.
So we're staying at the chalet, that's what it's called. And now Buds is gonna make a little platter. So we decided to, what's the time now? 4:08. We decided to cancel our dinner reservation because it was super early. It was like 5:30. And we decided we'd just have some dips and platter and stuff, and then we'll get dinner later tonight. We're just gonna get takeaway. Look at our view. So before, when I went to the supermarket, I got these like bath salts because I thought they would be nice in the bath. And then this is the bath bomb that the place gave us. So it looks kind of like it's got colors inside it. I'm excited for that. But this is the bath. Look how, it's huge, like massive. And then there's a TV. I'm so excited. So I'm gonna get the bath ready, and then Lil and Sylv and Mayhew are gonna arrive soon. So we'll see them. Guys, so I had a bath and my face is bright red because I was in it for way too long, but now Buds and I are racing to the beach to see sunset. Look how pretty it looks. I think we've kind of missed sunset, but we're going to the beach anyway. Whew, my face is so red. We just came down to the beach because we wanted to see sunrise, and we've realised we've left masks inside the house. Wait, there actually might be some here. Oh, it looks so nice. Ooh. That's good. wetsuit on anyway. Okay, so good morning. It's Sunday morning and the lighting's really shit here, but that's okay. I'm gonna move you actually. What is the time? 10 past 7. We got up early, came for a little beach walk. There is absolutely no one else surfing or swimming or in the water, but I'm not gonna let that stop me. I'm gonna get changed and we're gonna go in the ocean. Even if it's for like 5 minutes.
Yeah, I'm not, you are.
I am, Buds isn't. I just know I feel so much better after it, so I'm gonna go in. Just a little reminder, I actually can't surf. I've had a surfboard for years. We've always had surfboards and we can sort of stand up, but I haven't surfed in like, it'd literally be over a year. So I kind of just use it like a boogie board, but yeah, all right, I'm gonna go in. I'm gonna get changed. Oh God. The best part about having a van is that I can get dressed in the back of it. The windows are like fully tinted. So instead of going into the public toilets, I'm gonna get changed in here. Yahoo! Cowabunga! Okay, so I have my wetsuit on. This lighting is so bad. And there's still no one in the ocean at all. But never let anyone else's opinion stop you from doing what you want to do. So I want to go in because I know I'm going to feel freezing but so good after it and so good for the rest of the day. So I'm going to go surfing. That was amazing.
You had some hella stacks, bro.
Huh?
You had some hella stacks, bro.
It was so nice. That was amazing. I feel so good now. It wasn't actually that cold in. When I first went under, went under fully, it was more the wind coming up. Like I was getting like a brain freeze, but that lasted like 30 seconds and then I just felt good and it was fine. But yeah, perfect start to the day. Like my ideal start to the day is like a swim in the ocean. Now we're just going for a drive across the Barwon River. It's so pretty, it's so flat out there. And then I think I'm gonna meet my sisters for breakfast. Yahoo! Breakfast. Give me a wave. Wave. Okay, we've just checked out of our accommodation and we are heading to breakfast. I'm meeting both of my sisters there and their partners, and little Sylv and my sister's new golden retriever puppy Rowley is also going to be there. So let's go to breakfast.
Let's go.
Hey! Oh, kitty. Hi! That was so yummy. It's got sauce on it. Nice. So we finished breakfast and now me and Buds and one of my sisters, Alice, and her partner Ben and their dog Rowley, we're going to go to Barwon Heads Beach and have a little walk. What are you doing, Rowley? Buds and I are just in the car and we're just having a look to see if the Queenscliff market's on. Alice reckons that it's on, so if it's on we're going to go and have a look. Otherwise we might go to another beach for a little walk, and then I've got to go back because I have balloons this afternoon. We just went and got some ice creams. We're in Queenscliff. I got a spearmint one and Bud's got a, what is it, Kinderella? Kinder Surprise. So yum. Now we're gonna head home, back to Ballarat, and then I've got some balloons to do. Hello guys, it is now Sunday night and I'm about to head out for dinner with some of my girlfriends. I'm gonna bring my camera, but I'm not sure if I'm gonna film. We'll just have to wait and see if, like, you know, the mood's right. But yeah, I made up some balloon bunches today. I'll share some TikToks of that now. My camera died, so I couldn't film on my camera. This has been the nicest weekend, like really wholesome, being down the beach, swimming, going out for breakfast, seeing my sisters. It's been so nice. Kind of just doing all of the things that I love doing that we haven't been able to do for a very long time. But yeah, once I did balloons this afternoon, I didn't really do much. I came home, I actually had a nap for like an hour and a half. I was exhausted. Yeah, off for dinner, and I might see you there, I might not.